What up, YouTube? And today we're going to check out USA Coins unboxing. So got all my tools ready. I got my mini scissors and my razor blade, and we are going to open this bad boy. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, let's see my pretty coins. These are peace dollars. Look at that shine. There's one there. See the eagle? Got another one here. Yum yum. That's the eagle. Bald eagle. Got another one here. And we got a dime, which has an interesting toning to it. Oops, there we go. Okay, I'll do a close-up later.
Let's check out the other stack. What we got? Rubber bands. Okay.
Here's another peace dollar, 1922. We got another one. This is MS-64. MS is Mint State. So, yep. And then we got another one here, 64s. Earlier batch were 63s. And then another Roosevelt dime.